Hello viewers, welcome to the new tutorial series. In this series we are going to learn the main algorithms of machine learning. So let's start with regression. So what is regression? Regression is a way of predicting the value of one variable from another. So let's say we know some values and some outputs. So this line represents the independent variable and this line represents the dependent variables. We know these data out there. So let's say I want to predict a value for 45, but there is no output out there for 45. So how can I do this? I can do this through regression. Through regression, I will be drawing a best fit line for these data. So this line will represent all the values out there for corresponding input. So this is the inputs out there and these are the outputs out there. So let's say I want to predict a value for 45. So the line out there, the height of the line will represent the value corresponding to 45. This is called regression, and we will be implement through code out by Python. So let's start. Import numpy as np. Import from statistics. If you don't have this module, just write pip install statistics, then it will be installed out there. Import mean. Let's say the values which I know with an array. The x values are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 and 100. I will give a data type out there equal to, let's say, float numpy dot float 64. Okay. Yi equal to numpy array. Let's say output is 50, 40, 66 and 55, 69, 150, 200 and 250. These are the outputs corresponding to the inputs. We know these values and we are giving a data type out there, numpy dot float 64. Now I have to see the formulas which we are basically going to use. So since this is a straight line out there, we can define this straight line through y equal to mx plus b. So here m will be the slope of this line and b will be the intercept through the y-axis. So for finding m, I have to follow this formula. So let's see. Def, let's give the name as slope. As input I will be taking xi and yi. Then n equal to define. I have to find the mean of xi. So mean of xi, and I have to multiply it with yi. So multiply it with yi, multiply with mean of yi Then I have to subtract the whole thing with xy mean. So give a bracket out there. Currently I am dealing with the numerator. So what should I do? I have to multiply x star with y, xi and yi. Then I have to find the mean out there. So write mean. Okay, then I am done with the numerator. Okay, let's see what say the denominator. I have to find mean of x, then square it. So find mean of x I, then I have to square it. For squaring, just write double star and then 2. Okay, then complete it with a bracket, sorry, and subtract it with x square. So first of all I have to square the x, then I have to make the mean. So x star x, you can do this through double star 2. Okay, mean of x square, right? Okay, then I am closing the denominator 2. Okay, okay, fine. So I'm done with m. Now just return this value. So return m. So let's call the function now. M equal to slope of give input xxi and yi. Let's see the value of m out there. Control P. So I have the value of slope is 0.47. Secondly, what I have to do is to find the value of b. So what is b called? It is also known as intercept. I am extending this function intercept. Okay, then I have to find the mean of y, sorry. So find b equal to mean of y I, since y is yi here. Okay, I have to subtract this with mean of width. Okay, and then I have to multiply it with m of mean of xi. Give a bracket out there for the whole thing. Okay, and I think, yeah, now return the value of b, comma b. Change the function name intercept. Okay, now I will see two values out there, b, m and b. So let's see. So I have a value of m is 0.47 and for b I have value of -10. Now let's plot these values. So let's see. For plotting I have to import some library functions. So import matplot lib dot pyplot spl plot. Okay, now plot dot scatter for values of xi and values of x2 yi, and you can give a color value FFF. Okay, this is the color value out there. Now I have to plot the line out there. Okay, before that I have to find the predicted regressions output for the desired for the xi. So I can do this regression output equal to right. Okay, I'm giving just an empty array. So now I will run a loop for x in xi regression output dot append. I will be appending. What should I append? So I will be appending m star x plus b. So give a bracket out there for safety, I think. Okay, now I have all the points in the line for of y for xi. Now plot. I'm plotting xi comma regression output. You can give any color out there if you want. Zero, zero, zero. Okay. Let's see the output out there. Okay, there is an error. Let's check out there. Okay, it's saying, oh, I have to run this line before. Okay, Control B. So now run the code. Oh, I didn't show the plot. So plot dot show. So this is the plot out there. You can see these are the points which I have as data, and this is the regression line. So it's time to predict a value. So let's say I want to find the value of y when I know the value of when I say the value of x is 45. So let's see. So predict x equal to, say I am saying 45. Now I want to predict a value. So predicted y should be similarly m star predicted x predict x, okay, plus the intercept. I have x and y out there, so let's print this value. This value underneath there. Okay, print, what should I say, print predicted y. Okay, predicted y should be printed out there, and I want to increase a plot out there. Plot dot scatter predict x and predicted y. Give a color out there. What should I give? Let's say 333 444. Okay, now run the code, and you can see this is the point out there. Okay, this is the predicted value out there. So this is all for this regression tutorial, and see you for another algorithm in the next time. Thank you.